G'day viewers, time to do some more popping I think. Let's get this out, haven't used this in ages. Got a scrunched up piece of valve foil and some capacitors. Let's microwave some stuff again. Been a long time. Maybe some of these batteries. Smoking 18650, yeah? It's all dried out, probably won't do much, but we'll give it a go. Set it down there so we get ventilation. Now let's get frying on high. Oh, plasma. Been a long time. Ooh, look at that. I lit the foil on fire. You can see it melted the aluminium foil there. Magnetron's not even hot, it's good. Try again. Ha ha ha. Microwave a tin foil hat. The smoke's blowing the wrong way. The wind's blowing the wrong way. That'll give you Alzheimer's. Tin foil to protect my nuts, because nobody likes wasted nuts. Yeah, this brings back last microwave stuff. Been a while. Gotta do some more popping again. People love that, so yeah, I quite enjoy it. Just haven't had a decent opportunity to do so. Got a good opportunity now, so let's keep popping. Mobile battery with AA or quad A cells in there. Plasma, firework. Check the magnetron. Yeah, that's alright, it's getting really good cooling. That's the main thing. That does get some heat in that magnetron, but this is getting really good cooling without the cover. Bonus. Where's that fluor? I put a fluor near it. Any slight illumination will indicate a slight RF microwave leak. Like that. Near the door. No illumination, that's alright then. There's no microwaves escaping here. Not even slightly. Works. Power mode. Oof. That's good fun. Oh yeah. Smoky. Sparky's breakfast is ready to eat. Okay, so my electrolytic caps for my computer power supply are fixed. One unbulged one, the rest are bulged. TPO, 1000 microfarad, 24 volt, 105 degrees Celsius, 2006 is a date code on that. Pretty much all of those. Just see if I can smoke some. There's any smoke left in those capacitors. Let's see. There's plasma in there. Clean that out I think. Something else is taking all the energy. Okay, cleaned it all out. Put the caps back in. Get some more capacitor popcorn. Oh yeah. Plasma. Turn that off before I burn the magnetron out. Awesome. Turn it off again before I turn the magnetron out again. Wow. Fire, flames. That was a good pop. Satisfaction. Haven't done anything like that in a long time. Okay, let's have a look in here. Maybe if I could chip over that. Something to clean the floor of the microwave out. Let's see what we got. This will do. And look for cat Carnage. No pops, we've got the melts. Nothing stuck to the floor. Alright. Yeah, look at that one. That's where the plasma come from, this one. Look at that, melted it all away. Awesome. That one's still warm. Look at that. Just make a water to the bottom of it. And then they got a reason to bulge. Anyway, all in good fun. It's a little bit warm, that one. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.